Oh, I see the part stick was here this morning. Dropped off another $1,000 worth of brakes and tie rod ends and drag links. Friggin' 80 trees got some terrible of a Shimberlini to the front end, and turns out she's flying. Ball joints be flying out of her. Imagine that. But yeah, there's $1,200 for the trailer. There's $1,000 for the friggin' brakes on sticky there, and the ball joints on friggin' the 80 tree. But we got the tractor loaded up. We got to play trapter today. Really appreciate all the comments in the last Trapterman's video. I had no idea that there were so many armchair traptersmans. Eh? That was totally fucking awesome. That was totally fucking awesome to find out about all the armchair traptersmans, boys. Yeah. Yeah, you really know how to instruct a guy to play trapter. You really do. You really do. But yeah, I mean, that was like the third time I've played trapter, right? So clearly got, you know, a little practicing, but never gonna get good at it without practicing, right? So I know you guys are good at traptering first time, but I gotta take at least a couple times. But really, it's not so bad. I was just going so slow as fuck because I really wasn't into bashing in that fence, you know what I mean? This one's wide open, so we just gun her. Trapterman. Legal ears for a trapter operation. Watch out! Here comes the Trapterman. Hey? Yeah, it's my song about the traptersman. Oh no. You're at the wrong dick end. Trapterman. Digs holes up as we can. Watch out! For the gas line Trapterman. Okay, go. No bees and me this time. I'm a traptersman. I said frig off. You don't listen? Oh, maybe you don't listen. That's probably what happened, eh? I apologize. I apologize that you don't listen. Oh, there. Look at 4 steer wheels on that dump truck. Good Lord, dude. Keep her coming, Hank. Keep her coming, Hank. You're doing good. Oh, Barky. Are you a good Barky? Are you a good Barky? Not so much? Barky. Barky. I'm gonna give you pats. I'm gonna give you pats.
Well, I couldn't even imagine.
What happened?
Couldn't even imagine the jobs you get into. Like we did locates at least.
Is you a good boy? Who's a good boy?
Yeah, get used to having people back here, eh, buddy?
Hi, King. Hey, buddy. He gave you a stick, you'd be nice.
Yeah.
Oh no, another stick. Yeah. What are you gonna do, King? Go ahead. Go ahead.
He's like, yeah.
Oh, just splendid. Oh, Dick.
That's coming out. I'm not. No,
Inspection.
I'm just making sure that I'm not going to have to be dying tomorrow doing my hand.
Oh, big time.
I'm not even joking.
Third time I used the tractor. Oh dear. So does that look about right, or?
Yeah, well, the shed's going to be 10 by 14, and that we're sitting at 12 by 16. So.
Oh dear.
That's fine.
Right on. Couple of rutabagas over here cocking over the program, but. Well, I hope you're happy. It hurt my feelings the last Traptor movie, so I didn't even want her to make a Traptor movie this time. Hey? I apologize, you guys are dicks to me. I apologize, you find the need to be a dick to me. That's cool. I get it, you know what I mean?